Oh, okay. I think I lost you. That way run it out.
The clerk is still.
Right, we dropped off.
Down.
Oh, okay.
Sitting back there with those grandbabies. Chewing on the peppermint, I bit the inside of my lip.
Oh,
Heck, God. Bugging the heck out of me.
and the worst thing is that you keep biting it when you're
Keep biting.
eating it.
If y'all can hear us, we're trying to get the computer back up.
Oh, we're good. Yes, we can hear you.
Right.
Going okay. Hands on the side though, can you feel it? That's through an accident.
See, he's on here.
There he is.
Okay. Now, why is it now? It's
All right, Mr. Christensen, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yes, I can.
All right. Ms. Carter, could I get you to raise your right hand, please? Well, she's not here. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this call should.
I do.
Okay, let's see.
Now it needs to be off.
Wait,
Now
wait.
it needs to be off. Okay.
Aha.
We often have attorneys that have technical difficulties, but this is the first time that we've ever experienced any.
Well, it happens to us all.
Ms. Carter, do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth so help you God?
I do. Now we can't hear her.
Now we can't hear you.
Just unmute it.
We are unmuted.
Muted everywhere, I thought.
That one, that one.
Okay, try again.
Yeah,
Can you hear
did you
us?
say something? Okay, now I can hear you.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Carter, I'm going to show you what purports to be the last will and testament of Geraldine Carter. Do you recognize this as being her last will and testament?
Yes.
I'm going to go back to the signature page and ask you, do you recognize that as being her signature on that document?
Yes.
And after the date she made this will, which appears to have been on December 27th of 2001, did she ever change it or revoke it?
No, she did not.
All right, go right ahead, Mr. Christensen.
Okay. Ms. Carter, could you state your full name for the court, please?
Karen Francis Carter.
And could you spell your middle name?
Frances.
Okay. Were you well acquainted with Geraldine Parker Carter, the decedent?
Yes,
And you're the decedent's daughter, correct?
correct.
Did your mother, Geraldine Parker Carter, die on June 7th, 2017 in Port Arthur, Jefferson County, Texas, at the age of 88?
Yes,
Was the date of your mother's death less than 4 years ago?
No,
It was more than 4 years ago, correct? So no. Were you unable to pursue this application because you lacked the necessary resources to pursue the application?
yes.
Okay, let's talk a little bit more about that. In regards to the factors contributing to the lack of necessary resources, did you pay for your mother's funeral out of your personal expenses?
I did, yes.
Did you pay all the operating expenses? That's the property taxes, insurance, utilities, and maintenance for your mother's property located at 833 West Sixth Street in Port Arthur, Texas.
Yes,
In addition to the strained financial resources, did you also encounter significant continuing limitations on your physical abilities?
yes,
Beginning in 2017 and continuing through February 2020, did you undergo several diagnostic procedures and completed various treatments to address extreme debilitating back pain?
yes.
Okay, that, you've covered that well enough, Mr.
Okay,
Christensen. I don't
okay,
want-
I'll stop there. Let's see, your mother was a resident of Jefferson County, Texas at the time of her death?
Yes,
Okay, and he's already handed you the will. And are you named executor in that will?
yes,
Okay. Is there a necessity for administration in this matter?
no,
After the date of the will, which was December 27, 2001, were there any children born or adopted by your mother?
no,
Was a marriage of your mother dissolved after the date of the will?
no,
Did your mother provide for gifts to the state of Texas, a political subdivision thereof, or any charity?
no,
Did your mother receive any Medicaid benefits on or before March 1st, 2005?
no.
Righty, so Ms. Carter, what you're gonna do is you're gonna sign, can you hear me okay?
Yes,
Okay, you're gonna sign that proof of death and other facts. And I would assume the oath of no debts is contained within that document, or is it a separate document?
I think I have it as a second document. I think it's also in here as well, that there are no debts.
Okay, so you're gonna sign that document before a notary public. Mr. Christensen will e-file that with the county clerk here in Jefferson County. Once he does that, I will sign the order admitting your mother's will to probate as a muniment of title. If you need to, you can get certified copies of the will in order so that you can transfer a title or whatever you need to do. But otherwise, I hope everything goes well, and if y'all need anything, just give me a call.
All right, we thank you, Your Honor.
All
thank
right,
you.
y'all have a great week.
Thank you. You do.
Take
Thank-
care now.
Bye.
Okay, so we're just waiting on this probate. Okay, I'm gonna run in.